Okay, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing video real quick. As you can see, I got a care package today. Been waiting on this for a few days. It's from NewBeeDrone. I got myself a new ruby cockroach frame. What have we here? Looks like we have a travel case. Let's see what else is in the box here. Looks like we have an invoice. Ah, yes. We got to love our stickers. And of course, can't forget the little guy in the bottom of the box. There we go. Set those aside for now and get back to those. Let's see what's in here, shall we? I'm trying to do this one-handed, bear with me. Okay, this isn't working well. Alright, gotta set the phone down for just a sec here. Okay, there we go. What have we here? Looks like some gem fan props, clear blue. 4 blades. Ooh. The new Beeceiver version 1. Nice. And guess what we have here? It's in a plastic bag, so let's see if I can get that off real quick. The brand new NewBeeDrone Hummingbird. Ah, yes. I got a happy home for this little guy. Free sky. Yeah. And some gold motors. Awesome. Got enough to put a bird together here, and a nice case to boot. Yeah. Nice. I'll be looking forward to putting this together maybe tonight. Take care.